And then my Guru Vajradhara, His Holiness the 16th Javakarmapa, actually, who recognized me in a very interesting way. Because when my predecessor passed away, the past Sanjay Nyemba Rinpoche, the brother of previous Tingku Chenche Rinpoche, was with him and assisting him. And then my predecessor is about to pass away. So he asked him, where are you will be born? And he was served, they served him a grape juice made out of dry grape. They don't have real grape over there. And he dipped his finger into it and wrote down a letter Li on top of the table. And that's all. Then he couldn't speak and he passed away. And when my Guru Vajradhara, yeah, Choki Nyima Rinpoche brought one of my iconography. That was when I was, I think 18, 19 years old. Pencil image of Vajravarahi, our main deity. And signed by myself down there. I'm not going to give back to you. Yeah. Okay. So I wanted to conclude. Okay, I want to conclude. Yes. Then when my Guru Vajradhara, His Holiness the 16th Javakarmapa, was in Beijing, together with His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama in Beijing, in 56 or 55 or 6, somewhere around there. I was born 1954, so that time I was 1.5 years old. And that time, the Konka Rinpoche, his past life, was assisting my Guru Vajradhara, His Holiness 16th Karmapa. And they were out shopping in Beijing. Yeah, I don't think they have any brand shops there those days, but I'm sure beautiful artifacts, I'm sure. And then all of a sudden, he told Rinpoche to go back to the hotel where they were hosted, and then told him to write down the kind of true Google map. Yes, my home, the surrounding, how many dogs we had, where the door face, everything. And then his previous life was a disciple of my predecessor, as well as His Holiness 16th Javakarmapa was the disciple of my predecessor. And they spent so many years together at Palpung Thupten Chungkurling monastic seat in East Tibet. So then he sent messengers all the way to Palpung. And then the message got there. And that's how they found me. And later, my predecessor's Li, which was put on the table at the request of previous Sanjay Nyemba Rinpoche, the brother of late Tingku Chenche Rinpoche. Then my family name, my surname is Liu. So Li, coming from that. And so anyway, I'm so happy. All of these connections coming together. All the precious connections coming together, okay? And then after I was enthroned, I was named by my Guru Vajradhara, 16th Javakamappa, according to the prophecy of Guru Rinpoche. So then, about 3-4 months after, His Holiness Dalai Lama came back from Beijing, way to Lhasa. And there, my Guru Vajradhara carried me and put on the lap of Avalokiteshwar and asked him to cut my hair. I got my second name, in fact my third name actually. My birthplace is PU, so first my family took me to Nyingma Monastery, Palyul Monastery. I got my first name, Nyingma name. That time nobody knew who I supposed to be, Taisitu. And then my name given to me according to the Guru Rinpoche's prophecy. Then my last name was given to me by Avalokiteshwar, Tamchi Chemba, Dawar Rinpoche, and that was my third name. So, and then my other guru, such as His Holiness Sacha Droma Potang, is introduced to me by my Guru Vajradhara. When he was ill in Delhi, in All India Institute of Medical Science, and he was treated there at the advice of the President of India. And I was there in the room. Then His Holiness Sakya Droma Potang was invited. And His Holiness Kamapa, my guru, really respect him. So he asked him to conduct a Vajrakilaya empowerment for him. And he told everybody to go out. And he told me to sit there. And then I took empowerment from His Holiness Sakya, together with my Guru Vajradhara, the Vajrakilaya empowerment. And so later, he is also very important guru of me. So right now, as Yongye Mingyur Rinpoche say, he have only one guru alive. I have 3 guru alive.